Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in video we are going to repair this VU 43-inch LED TV that comes to repair with the fault standby red light one-time blink only. See friends, this is the fault. If you try to release the TV from standby, the power LED will blink only. Here actually it indicates a backlight fault. It's a backlight error fault. Same complaint or error fault you can see in Hisense LED TV also. This is not a motherboard related fault actually. So to repair this TV we need replace the entire backlights with new one. So let's start the repair. See friends, it's frameless LED TV. So here we need to remove the double side tape from panel and panel frame using this type of PVC sheet. Here I taken this plastic sheet from an old LVDS cable. So let's finish this process carefully to repair. See friends, finally now we reached the backlights. See, while checking with the LED checker, one of the LED strip among this three is short. So let's purchase new backlight sets and replace. See here, now replaced old backlights with new one. Now backlights are installed, so let's fix the panel in double side tape to panel frame. See friends, now we are going to fix this panel in double side tape. So friends, finally work is done. Now let's connect all sockets and finally let's power on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal without red light blinking problem. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.